Good morning, mathematicians. This is the quick introduction to your activity for the asynchronous learning time during math today. We're starting on our trusty homeroom page in Schoology. We're going to scroll down just like yesterday to the week 1 assignments. In the math folder, you're going to see a link to the Tuesday Math Scavenger Hunt. You're going to click this link and it opens up a document, a page, and it's got instructions on the page. And this probably would be easier if you had the paper in your hand and you could actually mark off the items. But it's just for fun and it's just to get your mind activated and thinking about math and math related topics and actually recognizing that math is all around us. So I'm going to read the instructions, but I'm gonna tell you that what I'd like for you to do is try to find as many of these things as you possibly can. So this is the math scavenger hunt bingo, and you are to explore the math in your environment by finding and crossing out the items below. You don't have to do that. Just finding them is what we're looking for here. You can print it out if you'd like, but I'm not asking you to turn it in or snap pictures or anything like that. It's just an activity for fun. Only one item may be crossed out for each find. See if you can get 5 in a row horizontally, diagonally, or vertically. So that would mean if you're actually playing the bingo game, 5 in a row horizontally would be side to side like the horizon. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 would make bingo. Or vertically means up and down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up and down would be a bingo, or diagonally. So you'd go start in a corner and then go down one over one, down one over one. So here and then to the corner, to the corner, to the corner, and 5 in a row would make bingo. But the big idea here is really not trying to win at bingo because we're not actually playing it together. It's just activating your math mind. So you're looking for the items that are listed in the squares here. And if you have any questions about it, you could ask a older sibling or trusted adult, or you could even post a question in Schoology or ask when we meet up face to face, quote unquote, in our black and gold math meetings. This is just a fun activity, and I hope you enjoy it. And we'll be seeing you soon. Good luck and enjoy.